After you have installed Zoom, you can easily join a meeting. If you need to see how to install Zoom on Android device, check the description. For you to join a meeting without audio and video, you need to tap the big blue button, Join a meeting. If you wish to enter into a meeting, you will need to have the ID of the meeting and also, if needed, a password. Find this info from the host. Now, tap on Join a meeting. Write the ID of the meeting on the top. Now, enable these two options. Don't connect to audio and turn off my video. After this, tap on Join meeting. If the meeting has a password, it will appear this pop-up. Write the password and tap OK. Now you are connected on the meeting without audio and video. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.